Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I've got an engine. It's a Tecumseh engine. It's got a sheared bolt right at the head, so there's no way to get it off. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a bolt that is broken off in the threads. Here it is. It's the starter bolt for a Tecumseh snowblower engine. And I've got this bolt off, but this one's sheared right there, and the head of the bolt is gone. Now I tried to get it off with vice grips. It didn't work. I'm reluctant to try a chisel to try to unscrew it because I'm afraid it's totally going to break off. So the next solution here is I'm going to weld the nut right on the bolt, and then I'm going to undo it with a wrench. And today I'll be using my Lincoln 180C Power MIG. It's a MIG welder. Now I've just cleaned around it a little bit with a wire brush just so that it's nice and clean. And I'm going to hold the nut nice and straight here over the bolt. I'm just gonna let it cool a little bit. Okay, so I've had to re-weld another nut because I didn't have enough penetration with the first one. So now it is coming out. If you do feel any resistance, just go back and forth. And here it is. This is a good method. You want to make sure you get enough penetration when you weld the nut to the bolt. If you don't, your nut will just keep coming off the bolt. Now the other advantage that you have is when you weld a nut to a bolt like this is you heat up the bolt. That gives you a better chance of getting the bolt out of the engine or whatever you're working on. So that's all there is, guys, to removing a stripped or sheared off bolt like this. Again, make sure you get good penetration with the nut and the bolt, or else the nut will keep coming off the bolt. And remember, you can use this same procedure on a lot of different areas of an engine. For example, on manifold bolts or other bolts on the engine that are all rusted out. You can try welding, or you can also weld the nuts on there with acetylene torches as well if you're good that way. So the trick here is to heat up the bolt as well when you're welding the nut on. This will make it a lot easier to come out. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed and that you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Have a great day.